Welcome back to Cheese Code with Roman Dmitri. Today we're talking about code editors. The technical term is IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, and is too much to fit in my mouth. Your homework will be to figure out which one works best for you. The IDE is essentially a notepad on steroids. The purpose of the IDE is to make it for you as easy as possible to work on your code, especially if you're hungover. Primary features include code completion, syntax highlighting, and global search. I'll break these down in a minute. I use JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate because I'm a grown-ass man and I can afford it. This is my editor. There are many like it, but this one is mine. This editor brings me joy about 95% of the time. The other 5% is absolute garbage. A popular alternative is VS Code, especially if you're unemployed and you live with your parents. Let's show off some primary features, as you see here. The first one is syntax highlighting. It makes your code look all pretty and nice, and very easy to read. Next is code completion. The pop-ups aren't showing on my screen, but I just press tab to finish this function name. If I press Ctrl B, I can go to the function definition, and Ctrl B again to go back to where I came from. On the left, I have my folder structure, and if I've collapsed it, I can press the target button to find exactly where I am. Global search is a personal favorite, and you'll use it quite often. We also have version control. If you've seen my other video that has Git in the terminal, and you felt a little uneasy, maybe this is something that you'll enjoy a bit more. As you can see, I've changed one line of code, and it's picked up on that here. There is a built-in terminal to run all sorts of commands. In conclusion, the editor is your friend. It's not like the others. And your homework is to figure out the editor that works best for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more nonsense.